Believe in yourself. You're capable of more than you realize. Surround yourself with positive influences. They'll lift you higher. Take risks. They lead to growth and new opportunities. Cultivate meaningful relationships. They're the essence of a fulfilling life. Practice gratitude daily. It shifts your perspective towards abundance. Learn from your mistakes. They're valuable lessons in disguise. Set boundaries. They protect your well-being and foster respect. Be adaptable. Life is unpredictable, so embrace change with an open mind. Follow your passions. They're the fuel that ignites your soul. Prioritize self-care. It's essential for your physical and mental health. Stay curious. There's always something new to learn and explore. Trust your intuition. It's your inner compass guiding you in the right direction. Embrace failure. It's a stepping stone to success and resilience. Be kind to yourself. Self-compassion is the foundation of self-love. Practice forgiveness. It frees you from the burden of resentment. Keep a positive attitude. It's contagious and attracts positivity into your life. Focus on what you can control. Worrying about the rest is wasted energy. Celebrate your progress. No matter how small, every step forward counts. Be open-minded. It allows for growth and understanding. Take time to rest and recharge. It's necessary for sustainable productivity. Face your fears. They lose their power when confronted head-on. Find joy in the present moment. It's where true happiness resides. Be honest with yourself and others. Authenticity builds trust and connection. Practice empathy. It fosters compassion and strengthens relationships. Choose kindness in every interaction. It has the power to change lives. Stay true to your values. They're the guiding principles of your life. Seek out opportunities for personal growth. It keeps you evolving and thriving. Live with intention. Every action should align with your goals and values. Express gratitude for the people in your life. They enrich your journey. Remember that life is a journey, not a destination. Savor the moments along the way. If you like the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.